here's one way I'm connecting to Cider. I just define a function somewhere in my project. I did eval it with Emacs whenever I start working on it, because usually I have Emacs running for days, so it's not a problem. And shadow Clojurescript is running here, for example, so I call this remember some words that I typed into the function name, and connect my REPL. Now Mr. B. Aumann would like to start up a REPL and literally just type the command, and you can do this since recently by passing this parameter, so you can just have the full control. I think I can, for example, say MVP. How does MVP work? Do I have anything like that? I don't. Okay, let's develop a MVP REPL quickly here. And that thing does REPL start REPL like that. Oh yeah, I wonder if this just works. If I tell Cider make a Cider check-in Clojure. If I jack-in-cmd, see if that works. Maybe also say project dir and take this one again. Yeah, I guess it would be kind of funny if it just works right now. Same connection. Yeah. That makes a progress an nREPL process, but it started a MEB REPL. I need nREPL. That couldn't start no such file. Weakest nREPL to Fug. It tries to. Let's try around a few things. It still tries to make it as a thing. What is this looking like? So maybe try it again. nREPL 0, so I have to say. And then maybe for port. Never mind, let's try. That starts an NBB nREPL server, some random port. Yeah. Connected. Hey. Okay, so now I have a Clojurescript file. And I'm going with the correct. This is my shadow REPL, and do I have yeah, it is. That's MEB. So MEB should be able to say console print, console log. Yeah, love MEB. It prints it to the NBB nREPL server buffer. Yeah, here's a hide. Okay, so I successfully provided my whole Clojure check-in command here. If it would be me, I would like say yeah, I would put the project name inside my function, and I would have this in my project, and I would define this function randomly whenever I wanted, and that's how I would do it. Okay, of course, you could go and check in CMD. Yeah, sure, you could make my Cider check in prompt. Then have a check in CMD. As I said, we capitalize this usually. And then we do this, and this is another parameter. Yeah, make a list of these two things. Okay, maybe this is cool. Now we have command my Cider check-in prompt. Check-in would be something like maybe the server. Yeah, guess I will another one now. Live. Yeah. Okay. You could do this, and then I think you will want the history like this. Is it something that interactive can do automatically? No, I guess not. Okay, then we have to go through. Why do I have a history automatically? Fire. I guess I have the mini buffer history. Wouldn't it be cool if it's a shell command history? Whatever. I guess I leave it for the user as an exercise. Okay. Yeah, it's my solution to a problem. Actually, we solved the problem. This issue is a few years old, and we solved this not so long ago with this check-in CMD parameter. So there you go. Happy hacking, happy Clojure, Emacs, riding the waves. See you.